Acer. The character that everyone just seems to have a soft spot for. Well, at least I do. I mean, he's a lemon, and well, you've got to kind of feel bad for the lemons, after, at the end of the day, because, they're lemons, they break down easily, and, yeah, you've had a tricky life, so, I mean, the same logic probably applies to all the lemons, to be honest, but, I don't know, there's just something about this one that just, I don't know how to say it, but, something different, hits different, as the Gen Z would say. But yeah, I mean, he's a unique looking car, to say the least. He's green, which you don't see very often nowadays, especially on modern cars. Now, that begs the question, actually. Do any modern cars come in the colour green? There probably are a couple. I actually can't think. I know there are some, but I just can't think of any off the top of my head, to be honest. Still carrying on. Pacer. Acer. Sorry, like the laptops. Graham the Gremlin and Acer the Pacer. That's how I remember them. Well, still, let's have a closer look at him. Sorry, I moved my camera a bit there. Didn't mean to. I'm too heavy-handed. That's all. That's why. Still, he's got the Pacer logo and Pacer logo on top of his grill, and then I don't know. He kind of looks like he has proper headlights. I think he does, at least. Not really, to be honest. Oh, and his tyres, they say Road Hug. Don't know where the name Road Hug came from or why it's called Road Hug, but probably a reference to something. Probably something very obscure knowing Pixar. You got wing mirrors, probably snap off easily. Yeah, well, and I'm talking about the real thing. Wait, hold on, it says Ace. Oh, why does it say Ace on there? And not Acer, it's Pacer. And the number plate says FSHBWL. Could be a reference to Fishbowl. That might be one of the car's nicknames. Fishbowl. Of course. How did I not see it before? The AMC logo, look. On the left hand side has just detail. I mean, I love that attention to detail. I really do. Brilliant. And also a little rust or dirt. The effects are also pretty decent, to be honest. Ooh, look at this China variant. Though, to be honest, I don't think they've ever released him in Thailand before. Tell me if I'm wrong. Have a great day, folks, anyways.